Welcome to our Council of Grocery Store Businesses. We are the economic law firm. Nathan is very annoying. I am the president, Allison.
I'm Vice President, Hernan.
And my name is Devin Torres, council member number 1.
My name is Nathan. I'm council member number 2.
Good afternoon, Council of Grocery Stores. Our economic firm, Nathan is very annoying, is here to help you understand the use of elasticity of demand in your business so that you will stay the strong grocery store god that you are.
So to get started, we're going to define what elasticity is. So elasticity shows how sensitive quantity is to a change in price.
Elasticity of demand is basically the economic measure of quantity demanded and how it relates to price change. Cross price of elasticity basically determines if a product is a complementary good or a substitute. Then for the third one, we got income elasticity, which measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a product in relation to a person's income.
I just need to be
Alright, so starting with elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is the measurement of consumers' responsiveness to a change in price. Elasticity of demand can be either elastic or inelastic. And then the formula used to determine if it is elastic or inelastic is the percent change in quantity over the percent change in price.
The general characteristics of elastic demand are many substitutes, they're luxuries, it's a large portion of our income, you have plenty of time to decide whether you want to buy that item or not, and the elasticity coefficient is greater than 1. In your grocery store, an example of this would be soda, because there are many substitutes for it, and you give people plenty of time to decide if this is what they want. The general characteristics of inelastic demand are few substitutes, they're necessities, they are a small portion of our income, they're required now instead of later, and elasticity coefficient is less than 1. In your grocery store, the example of an inelastic good would be salt, because there isn't any substitute to salt. Our human body does require
Now,
it.
why is elasticity of demand beneficial to your grocery store? It is beneficial because it is used to help businesses such as yourself determine the price of items and when items should be put on sale.
Elasticity of demand. Cross-price elasticity of demand shows how sensitive a product is to the price change of another good. It is meant to show if two goods are complements or substitutes of each other. To find the cross-price elasticity, you would use the equation percent change in quantity demand over percent change in price. For example, a 20% increase price in milk to a 10% increase in the price of juice has a cross-price elasticity of 2%, which shows that they are substitutes to each other.
Now, why is cross-price elasticity beneficial to your grocery store business? Well, cross-price elasticity can show the relationship of products to each other.
Income elasticity measures how sensitive a product is to a change in income. This is to determine if a good is normal or inferior. The equation that is used to determine if a good is normal or inferior is the percentage change in quantity over the percentage change in income.
Alright, so when doing income elasticity calculations, if the coefficient is positive, it is a normal good. However, if the coefficient is negative, it's an inferior good. For example, we did quantity demanded of milk increases by 15%, and then the income of a person is decreased by 5%, which would be negative 3%.
Now, why is income elasticity important? Well, this is important because it shows the relationships of goods being inferior goods or normal goods. When income increases, people are more inclined to purchase normal goods, and when income decreases, people are more inclined to purchase inferior goods.
The most important elasticity of demand is income elasticity. And the reason is because in order to obtain maximum revenue, knowing the income of the shoppers at your grocery store can help determine what prices you want to set. With an increase in income, you can put prices on normal goods to maximize the total profit of that product. For example, if milk is a normal good and the income is increased, then you can raise the price of milk and still make a profit on it.